Alright guys, excited to let you know that the next modification just came in the mail for the Gen 3 2022 Hayabusa. It is the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit. If you don't know what it is, I will give you a quick... Alright, so what it will do is it'll take this whole rear fender thing and totally eliminate it. You can see it's kind of plasticky and just very factory looking, which it is, and it will clean it up really nice, and it'll be tucked up tighter. It'll give you a little light. It'll take away this big block thing and just give the whole overall rear appearance a really nice clean look, as opposed to just that crappy just plastic looking. So right away, let's see what's in the box. More difficult than what it needed to be. Looks like we have the actual bracket itself. Looks like we have the frame with the light, the new light that's going to be installed. And we got our instructions and hardware. Cool. I'm going to pull these out, read it, see what our first step is. Alright, first thing we're going to do, get ourselves a ratchet and 10mm sockets. And we got 4 bolts that are right up inside here that connect the fender to the subframe of the bike. We're going to remove those 4, and then this whole assembly should come out. Alright, so with those 4 bolts out underneath here, this whole thing is loose, and the only thing it's really held up by right now is the actual wires for the light that kind of go up inside here. So I'm going to take it, slowly turn it a little bit so it's facing that way. All right, you can see that you got the 2 wires. All right, so we're going to use the existing wiring harness, you could say, and we're going to actually cut it 2 inches back from the light, so we can just take a wire snip right there and snip this whole thing, and then we'll have the remaining wires hanging there that we're going to have to connect the new light to. So I'm going to get a wire snip and go about 2 inches up and snip it right there. All right, got that snipped off. Got the wires out of the little protective coat, and I actually stripped them too, so they are ready to have the new connection fitting for the new light. All right, the next thing to do is install the light to the bracket, the new light. So this is going to go through that little hole, and these 2 little screw holes on the back are going to go like so, and we will secure that to the license plate bracket. Alright, so that new license plate bracket has just a little bit too long of wires, so I snipped it off, and they give you these little connector guys, kind of like that, but they're see-through. These ones are the normal clamp ones. The wires are so small that they give you a clear one that you use a lighter to heat up, and you heat shrink it, and it melts a little bit of solder so that it makes the connection more secure than using like your standard clamp connector like that. I thought maybe it would work, but wires are way too small. So use your lighter, heat them up, and then with the 2 supplied bolts that they give you, you're going to take the bracket and bolt it right up in place. And as you can see, I have the license plate already on with the frame on it, and that is the finished product. Looks so much nicer. You don't have all this extra shit going on. It's all clean and just bam. It says Yoshimura, and actually has the little symbol there too. Little LEDs up in there. I'll turn it on. Let you see what it looks like with the lights on. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah! See the little LEDs, and wow, that is so much cleaner. So much better. I cannot even believe how much better that looks. Nice.